Edition with me, VJ Paula, and with me today are a group of young cuties who are making a really big name for themselves in the Filipino music scene. Everyone give it up for
Jixer! Yay!
Can I just share, I have never been around this many cuties in my life.
Oh my
coming
gosh.
from an all-girls school, so hi guys, na-overwhelm ako. So please, introduce yourselves first.
I'm Owie po.
Owie.
I'm Gav. I'm
Gav.
Lee. I'm B-Boy. I'm Ren. My name is Oliver. And we are the
Jixers!
Okay, grabe, na-rehearse pa yun, ha? Love it. Okay guys, how was the group formed? Yung sa inyo?
Well, nag-start po kami as high school barkada po.
Ay, ang cute. So you guys go way back, pero hindi masyadong way back kasi you guys are young, no? Like, ano yung
Yes.
mga average ages niyo?
15 to 19 po.
15 to 19, guys.
15
Mga 2
si
years
Owie.
ago po, yung...
When you started.
Yes,
Okay. And what's the deal behind yung name niyo? Like, bakit Jixer yung
Chicken
gusto
is
niyo?
unique po. Talagang pinag-vote lang namin, gano'n.
Chicken?
Parang mahilig po kami sa chicken.
Oh, diba?
Iba iba po yung
Chicken! Ay, benta sa akin yun.
Search for dancer. And
Ah.
singer.
Dancer.
Tapos sa kabilang
Singer.
Kasi merong isang
May group na named as Chili's. Kasi all-girls school yun.
Opo, Kami
Tapos
naman sa boys
gusto
all
po
boys.
namin,
Chickster.
gumawa din po kami.
Ikaw na, boy.
Nagigigil na ako. Go, go,
Hindi
please.
po namin nakuha yung word na chick. Tapos parang naisip namin
Cheeky, ah.
Tapos siya po nakaisip nun sa dancer as sir. Kaya po nabuhay chick, sir.
Kaya pala.
Ay, believe
so,
yun
mahaba
pala
pala
yun.
yung story ng
Yes
name
po, yes.
nyo. Okay guys, wait.
Cheeky,
Kasi
ah.
alam mo sa mga boy bands, may mga iba't ibang image, di ba? May bad boy, may good
Apo,
boy,
apo.
may nerd, may
Good
mama's
boy
boy,
yun.
may pogi boy.
Apo.
Lahat kayo pogi boy, obviously.
Yes.
Di ba? Pero
Pogi
sino
boy.
sa inyo yung bad boy, yung nerd, sino si mama's boy? Yan yung gusto ko. Kasi...
Owie.
Si Mama's Boy.
Si Mama's
Si Cog.
Okay, sino yung bad boy?
Ako po.
Owie.
Ang
Owie,
boy.
siya yung
Opo.
putik na.
Sino naman yung good boy?
Ako. Kami po.
Uy, dalawa. Uy, guys. Ito yung gusto ko. Sino yung single boy?
Ako.
Uy! Uy, ano to? Ba't may hesitation? Semi? Semi-single? You sure? It's complicated?
Single na single.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna have more of these cuties in a bit, but back to
Cheeky.
our chart show. Here's One Way or Another by another cutie boy group, One
One
Direction.
Yeah.
Oh, di...